Hello friends, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a very simple and delicious recipe. We're going to transport you to the Basque Country as we're going to make a Poulet Basquaise, or chicken Basque style. Poulet Basquaise is born in the heart of the Basque kitchens as peasant food years ago, and it combines the chicken with the Piperade sauce, which is made out of bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and Espelette pepper. The colors of this sauce represent the colors of the Basque flag, and we're using the Espelette pepper, which is denominated from origin from the Espelette region in the French side of the Basque Country. This recipe that we're going to prepare today is based on Anthony Bourdain's recipe. He loved the Basque Country and the use of high quality and simple ingredients. You're going to love this recipe. It should be in your repertoire, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 4 pounds of chicken thighs with skin, 2 green bell peppers, 2 red bell peppers, 1 white onion, 2 garlic cloves, a 20-ounce can of peeled tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of butter, 3/4 of a cup of white wine, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of pimenta espelette or cayenne pepper, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. We're going to start seasoning our chicken thighs. We're going to add some salt, some pepper, and we're going to add some of this pimenta espelette. This pepper is not that hot. It gives a little bit of kick and it's a little bit fruity. We're going to do the same thing from both sides, and we're going to season all our chicken thighs. Now, I'm going to use a Dutch oven, but you can use a pan as well. And we're going to add our olive oil. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add our butter, and we're going to wait until it melts completely. Now my Dutch oven is a little bit small, so I'm going to be browning my chicken on the skin side only for about 5 minutes per side. And I'm going to do this in batches. And while the chicken is cooking, we're going to prepare the rest of our ingredients. While our chicken is browning, we're going to cut our onion in half, and then we're going to slice it finely. Then we're going to cut into strips our bell peppers as well. I like to cut them this way. That way I don't get any of the seeds or the veins. And we're going to cut them into strips. We'll repeat the process with our red bell peppers. And this is to prepare our Piperade sauce. Now we're going to put our onions and peppers in a bowl. And lastly, I'm going to smash and mince my 2 garlic cloves. Now we're going to go back with our chicken. And look at this. It's already nice and brown. This is what we're looking for. And we're only cooking skin side down. The other side is going to finish cooking with our Piperade sauce. We're going to put them in a bowl. And we'll repeat the process with the rest of our chicken thighs. This is smelling so good right now. I'm adding some of my new chicken. And once our chicken is nice and golden brown, we're going to let it rest on the side. Try to scrape as much as you can of the brown bits or the fond, as this is going to give great flavor to our dish. Now with the heat lowered, it's time to add our peppers and our onions to the pot. We're going to start combining, and we're going to start softening everything. I'm going to cover it for a few minutes just to let the veggies sweat. And after like 3 minutes, this is looking great. Now it's time to add our garlic. We're just going to mix a little bit. And now it's time to add our canned peeled tomatoes. Now to make the sauce, I'm just going to start smashing my tomatoes so they can let all the juices out. We're going to mix everything. And then I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, look at this. Now we're going to let our sauce reduce for a little bit. And at this point, we're going to add our white wine. And our chicken stock. We're going to remove and let it go for a few minutes until the alcohol evaporates. At this point, I'm going to taste and I'm going to adjust the seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more salt and pepper. And to give it a little bit more kick, I'm going to add a little bit more of the pimenta Espelette. You can also use cayenne pepper if you want. We're going to mix everything, and we're going to let our Piperade sauce cook a little bit more. Now that it reduced a little bit, it's time to bring our chicken thighs back in. I'm going to nestle them in. And since they're going to be cooking with the Piperade sauce, they're going to finish cooking and grab a little bit of that beautiful flavor. we're almost done. So now we're going to cover it and let it go for 20 minutes to finish cooking. Don't forget to add all the juices from the bowl where you had your chicken, as that is pure flavor. Now cover it and let it go for 20 minutes to finish cooking. As our Poulet Basquaise is simmering, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe that you would like us to try. And at the end of this video, if you enjoy it, don't forget to give us a like. Also, if you're interested in getting some of these specialty ingredients, you can visit our Amazon store and you're going to be finding their kitchen tools, pots, pans, special ingredients, recipe books, etc. Also, if you want to support our channel, you can access our Tivo's World recipe store straight from our webpage in YouTube. And you're going to see t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, etc. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our Poulet Basquaise. After 20 minutes, our Poulet Basquaise is ready. It's smelling incredible. So I'm going to turn the heat off. And to plate, I'm going to put the chicken thighs in my serving plate first. And then we're going to cover everything with this Piperade sauce. To finish, we're going to garnish with some cut parsley. And now finally, it's time to try our Poulet Basquaise. It's smelling delicious, so let's try it. Chicken. Some of this Piperade sauce. Wow. That Piperade sauce is fantastic. The chicken is nice and moist. And that Espelette pepper gives it that little kick with a little bit of fruitiness. It is delicious. You really need to try this recipe, and we'll see you next time.